Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Project. So guys, in this video we are going to learn that how we can get the information of any phone number with the help of Python. Information means just like the country name and the service provider of your SIM. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Wait. Before starting this video, I am going to show you that what we are going to make in this video. So here is my Visual Studio Code. When I open it, here is my program. You will see, yeah, here's my program. When I run this Python file, when I run this, run in terminal, yeah, then you will see it gives the output India with a service provider name. Look here, it is India and the service provider Reliance Jio. Yeah, that's the information of phone number which I have given here in our program. So this is the project guys we are going to make in this video. So without wasting your time, let's start the video. Now guys, I'm on my phoneinfo.py page, and if you want to create your new, just simply click on file, then new file, then you will be on the new and give it a name as you want to give. So I'm going to cancel it and writing a program. So for that, first I need to import our first library, which is import phone numbers. Where is it is down. Yeah, phone numbers. And after that, I'm going to import the sub library, which is from for phone numbers, import geocoder. This is for the country. And after that, I'm going to create a variable. I'm give it a name here as root. uh, you can give any variable as you want to give, which is equals to phone numbers dot parse. Dot parse is the function. So after that, in the parse, we need to give the phone number with a country code. So here I am give it a, in my country code I am using +91. You can give any. So for that I am using +91 with a random phone number. You can give any phone number of your choice. And after that, I am going to print the value, print phone number. What we are going to print? We are need to print the country. So for that, geocoder dot, and after that, description for number, that is for the country. And after that, I'm going to tell you that what is used for the service provider. So this is for the country, description for number. So in this, we need to call a variable which is root. You can call the variable which you give, comma, in the brackets en is for the language. Here I am using the en for the English language. So when I run this, then you'll see it gives the India here. Yeah, look, it gives the output India because I'm using the +91 with the phone number, so that is from the India. So here it gives the output India. After that, we need to know that the service provider which we are using. So for that, I'm going to import the second sub library from phone numbers, import carrier. C C dollar carrier. And guys, after that, I am going to similarly call another variable. I am give it a name service provider. You can give any variable name as you want to give, which is equals to phone number, phone numbers dot parse. Similarly, we need to give the phone number with a country code +91 with the same random number. And after that, we need to print the service provider name also. So print, print, print with a carrier. So because carrier is for the service provider, carrier. Now here we need to use the name for number. So that's for the service provider, name for number. Here is the description, you can read it also. After that, just simply call your variable service provider, comma, again for the language, en. Yeah. So that's it, guys. This is the program for the information of phone number. It's S. Yeah. After that, when I run this, then you will see, guys, it gives the output India with Reliance Jio. Yeah. Here you can see that it gives India with Reliance Jio, which is the service provider name. So hope you guys like this video, and if you like this video, make sure that you hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for the new updates. And guys, if you have any query, so let me know in the comment section. I'll try to give every answer of your question.